This beautiful place here in Boothbay Arbor, we come together to witness a special moment. Today, Amanda and Jim join their lives in the union of marriage, becoming a family.
Amanda, we've come a long way since fate brought our paths together on Glover Street. We've gone from neighbors to friends to lovers and now husband and wife. What an amazing journey it's been. And here I stand now, hand in hand, looking into your blue eyes of a beautiful woman with a heart of gold, and I'm happier than I could have ever dreamed. I truly am the luckiest.
First, thank you for opening my world to so many things. Most importantly, these people here with us today who've become my friends and family. Thank you for knocking on my door and making me believe in fate. Thank you for this happy little life we've created. You're wonderful and I'm the luckiest.
I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to be patient and to remember all things between us are rooted in love. I promise to nurture your dreams and to help you reach them. I promise to be your navigator, your sympathizer, your partner in crime, your best friend, and your lover. I promise to love you loyally and fiercely as long as I shall live.
Will you keep me safe? Can you heal my heart? Will you love me still when I have no love to give?
I promise to continue our adventures together and to approach our life as a family with a sense of humor and happiness. I will remain thankful for you, even in the most challenging times, and I will constantly acknowledge your kind nature. I promise I will never get tired of cooking for you. I promise we will always celebrate life with as much enthusiasm as we have these past few years. And today, most importantly, I promise you my love forever.
It's not an easy life. There's nothing nice about growing and the harder it gets.
Jim, psycho, silly, smiles. James, do you come here freely and without reservation to join Amanda in marriage?
Yes, I do.
Amanda, just Amanda. Do you come here freely and without reservation to join Jim in marriage?
I do.
Amanda, I am beyond proud of the person you have become. Thank you for being the sister that I needed. You have found in Jim and a person who is going to join with you as you chase your dreams. Literally, if you didn't know, my sister is an avid runner. Jim, just try to keep up. That's all we can suggest.
We knew Jim for a long time as Cute Neighbor. We listened to Amanda tell us all about what Cute Neighbor was up to that day, or what she saw him doing, like a stalker.
The best decision Jim ever made was taking a chance and going downstairs to ask that blonde girl out. These two not only know how to start a party, but they also know how to light a fire. And we have all seen the spark in the two of them since the day they met. And tonight we get to see the fire.
When I think of how the two of you met and how many stars had to align for the two of you to end up in that house at the time you did, It's probably one of the biggest stories of fated love I've ever heard. May your marriage be filled with long, beautiful hikes, cold beer, safe travels, and whatever kind of adventures the two of you find along the way. And by the two of you, I mean all of us.
I wish them a million lifetimes of happiness and love, and may your spark continue to shine forever. Love you very much.
To my dying,
Okay, I don't think I was ever going to do this, but here we go.
to my dying day.
And now, by the power vested in me by the state of Maine, it is my honor to declare you husband and wife. Jim, you may kiss your bride. I am happy to present the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Jim and Amanda Cray.
I'm surprised that my sister asked me to speak today because I know some things.
Literally, we went without heat, but never without a Stoli Raz and Sprite. Never.
The moment I met you and you came down, I knew. I was like, dude, this is the one. Don't screw this up, Jim. All right? Like, this is it. All right?
I actually always told Amanda that finding a husband who could hold his alcohol as good as her was going to be near impossible. So, Jim, thank you for proving me right.